And it happened again, guys. The price is hit our support and exploded, as we said in the last video. Four stocks have exploded. We're gonna talk about them, where the price action, where you take your profit, where we load if the price get a rejection around the resistance, and where we have a confirmation for another explosion. So let's get right to it, guys, and make some money. So first off is dots. We talked about it yesterday, and we talked about it here and 13th of October. You see, guys, hopefully you saw the video that we did, and look what we said. We said we're gonna see a rejection and the price go down around the $9.23, as we said perfectly, and that's what happened, guys. The price got rejected here, then went down, and guess what happened? The price bounced up again, and we did even the alert on our Patreon. You see, we did OCGN, and that's for when the price actually changed. So guys, join us in Patreon if you want. Here you can find it. You just press the show more button and you see our Patreon link here. Join us, guys, if you want alert and the price action movement at that like live, when the price actually moving even before the market open. Okay, and you can find it here in comment section. And again, guys, the dots right now have a buying pressure, as we said, around the $9.23. Perfectly bounced. Look, this was crazy, guys. Bounced perfectly around our support and bounced around the $9.32, and we said $9.23, just a few cents off, and the price went up, and right now we getting near the rejection area again, the resistance here. As we said, we went until the 12.49, and the rejection, potential rejection, will be around the 12.78, give or take, will be here. This is a kind of a rejection area right now while we testing. So for this one right now, I will be extra careful. If we get rejected here, is mean the price will go down again, and this time this should be our support here around the $11.20, in order to next time we explode from the 12, and the next time if we just close above the 12, guys, 70 or 80, we're gonna see a retest for the 18.20. so I'll be extra careful from this level. This will show us everything about the reaction movement of the price and the market maker, what they think about the price action right now. Okay, the next one we have OCGN, guys. As we said in the last video, the same last video that we did, the 5 stock that will explode, we talked about OCGN here, guys, precisely, and we talked about, we said the price will hit the $10, around the $10.80, and if we hold it $8.25. You see, guys, we said we're gonna test, and we have this level of test. This is the video, as hopefully you saw it. We did it yesterday, and look what's happened. Perfectly as we predicted, the price bounced from this support. As we said, this is the last support we should hold above the $8.25, and look what we have. We went until the $8.34, and we have a massive wick, and the price went up, and right now we gonna test. Look how crazy it is. Right now we tested the $10.60, guys. We really near the $10.80, and as I said, here we gonna see a massive squeeze, guys. Any price go above the $10.80 and see 11, we're gonna see explosion until the 13, at least the 13.49, and here we see another selling pressure. Okay, here we're gonna see a lot of profit taken and sell short. Short seller will come in to see a bit of the price drop. Okay, we'll be extra careful around this area, and right now OCGNs find a lot of explosion, because, guys, we, as we said, hold this support and we exploded from the $9.26. The next one we have NVDA, guys. Look what's going on. Perfectly, we talked about it in the live streaming before, and as we said before, I told you guys around this ascending line, and we said we need to hold it, and guess what? We bounced from it 1, 2, and this the third time that we predicted when the price was here, guys. We have a bounce here, and I told you guys we're gonna see at least price test for this ascending line again, and that's why we had it on the 4th of October, and right now we have surge of buying pressure again. Right now the support is turned around the $209, and this is will improve if we hold this for NVIDIA, guys. We're gonna see all-time high and above the 230, and we're gonna see the 250 and beyond. This is will be a crazy momentum. NVIDIA has been crazy going up like for years, guys, okay, because we have the best earnings, always green, you see, always green. We have dividends, and we have even split 4-to-1 because the price was crazy, almost 1000. That's why we have the price drop around 200. If you have the price before July, it was almost at 400, so 200 just times 4 will be almost the 800 or almost the 1000. So usually it stocks do like split to let the price share cheaper for investors to come in and invest, and the price go up again. That's why NVIDIA is really good investment for growth stock, guys. The last one we have GSPR, and look what's going on as well. This one we predict the price to have a hit and sell pressure. Yesterday we talked about it in our Patreon, and this price was here, and we predict the price to hold up around the 12, and we said the 12 will be important. Look what's going on. We have a wick, guys. We have a wick, okay? This is volatility, okay? We don't consider this. The price close above, the candle have a wick, the body is above the 12, as we said. The body is around the 1209. If we go in 1 hour, you see we have buying pressure happening again. Right now, what we want to see, a 4-hour candle, this green one, to close above. In order to confirm, guys, we're gonna see a retest around this area. This area will be retested again around the 14, and here we'll take my profit because right now is volatile, and I will get in if the price go above this resistant, okay, above the 18. This will be a trigger another buying pressure. Right now I'll be extra careful. We might see a lower lows if we don't close for our candle above the 12, okay. This is really will be conforming, and this is really important, guys. And again, guys, see you in the 8 p.m. Paris time for the live streaming, and let's get ready to hunt. See you guys in a bit.